Some clouds are visible on the north side of Karachi and some part of it near Dadu, Nawab Shah, and the major part of the thunder cells is lying near Hyderabad, Mithi, and these clouds could give some type of significant effect if it comes closer to Karachi. And if we talk about the main part of the remnants of storm Gulab, so it is lying uh, beneath Run of Kutch near Bhuj, the Indian state, and it is just entering in the sea. And there are low chances that this weather system, this low pressure, may become a cyclonic tropical storm again. But we are monitoring it, and we will keep everyone update. So we hope that in the evening, at night, or tomorrow morning, it could transmit into tropical cyclone, but its chances are 40%, and the 60% chances are that it will remain depression. So in both of the cases, Karachi may receive heavy rains, and as well as the coastal belt of Pakistan, uh, Balochistan's coastal belt, and Sindh coastal belt, and Karachi as well, and Sajawal, Thatta, Badin, and other cities, Hyderabad, Mithi. These cities will also receive rain. So let's see what will happen. We will keep you updated.